Amazon Prime for free 30 days. You need link in bio. Ever see a gardening tool so clever that your neighbors instantly ask, "Where did you get that?" Today we're counting down 23 genius Amazon garden gadgets for seniors that make gardening easier, safer, and much more enjoyable. From back-saving tools to smart watering solutions, these are practical finds you'll wish you had discovered sooner. Stick around. You might find your next favorite gardening essential. Digital plant, temperature/soil, moisture test and pH meter/sunlight, intensity. Amazon products you need to see right now if you are tired of accidentally killing your houseplant. Digital plant temperature/soil moisture test and pH meter/sunlight intensity, which is a total lifesaver for anyone without a green thumb. We have all experienced that frustration of watching a favorite plant turn yellow, leaving you guessing if you are overwatering it or if it needs more sun. This clever 4-in-1 gadget completely solves that by reading soil moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight in 10 seconds. It features a bright backlit screen and a rotating head so you can read it easily. Garden kneeler and seat with Thicken and Widen. Soft kneeling pad. Amazon products you need if gardening leaves your knees and back hurting every weekend. Garden kneeler and seat with Thicken and Widen soft kneeling pad. I honestly wish I had found this sooner. It makes planting, weeding, and trimming so much more comfortable. Instead of kneeling on hard ground, the thick padded cushion protects your knees, and when you flip it over, it becomes a sturdy garden seat. The side handles also make it much easier to stand back up without straining your back. Rolling garden stool, heavy duty, gardening cart. Amazon products you need to see right now if you love gardening but hate how much it hurts your body. You have to check out this rolling garden stool heavy duty gardening cart, which is a total lifesaver for working outside. We have all experienced that brutal back and knee pain from bending over in the dirt for hours, constantly moving heavy tool bags around. This clever 3-in-1 cart completely fixes that by giving you a super comfortable foam seat that flips into a pull wagon. It holds 20 quarts of tools, rolls smoothly over mud, and supports up to 600 pounds. Foldable garden kneeler seat, heavy duty. Amazon products you need if gardening always leaves your knees and back sore. Foldable garden kneeler seat, heavy duty. This is one of those tools you don't realize you need until you try it. It completely changed the way I work in the garden. Instead of kneeling on the ground, the extra thick pad cushions your knees, then flips into a sturdy seat whenever you need a break. It's lightweight, folds up in seconds, supports up to 350 pounds, and even comes with handy tool bags to keep everything within reach. 2-in-1 electric bush trimmer, handheld grass shear. Most purchased Amazon products this month include this absolute game changer for cleaning up your yard. You need to check out the 2-in-1 electric bush trimmer handheld grass shear, which lets you swap between a precise grass cutter and a heavy-duty shrub trimmer in seconds. We've all experienced the annoying hassle of dragging out giant heavy trimmers or hand-snipping weeds until your wrists are completely sore. This lightweight gadget completely fixes that with a powerful rotating head to reach awkward angles effortlessly. It comes with 2 fast-charging batteries so you never have to stop halfway through. Products are on sale. Garden seat with wheel. Amazon products you need if gardening leaves you exhausted before you're even halfway done. Garden seat with wheels. I found this while looking for an easier way to work in the yard, and it's honestly made gardening so much more enjoyable. Instead of constantly bending or carrying tools around, you can roll right where you need to go. It has a thick padded seat, built-in storage for all your tools, and even a fold-out work tray to keep everything within reach. It's sturdy, comfortable, and saves your back and knees. 21-inch push. Lawn sweeper, leaf, and grass collector. Amazon products you need to see right now if you are completely sick of raking leaves and grass clipping. You have to check out this 21-inch push lawn sweeper, leaf, and grass collector, which is basically like a giant manual vacuum cleaner for your entire yard. We have all experienced that exhausting back-breaking chore of spending hours raking up debris only to have the wind blow it right back everywhere. This genius machine completely fixes that by scooping up leaves instantly into a massive detachable hopper bag as you walk. It features adjustable height knobs for any terrain and folds flat to hang on your wall. Shrub trimmer electric, handheld bush clipper. Amazon products you need if your bushes and hedges are starting to take over your yard. Shrub Trimmer Electric Handheld Bush Clipper. I was surprised by how quickly this cleaned up my overgrown hedges without wearing out my arms. If you're tired of struggling with manual clippers, this cordless trimmer makes the job so much easier. The dual action blades cut cleanly, it's lightweight enough to use comfortably, and the 2 included batteries let you keep working without stopping. My yard has never looked this neat with so little effort. Kids, gardening tools, and bug catcher. Amazon products you need to see right now if your kids are constantly glued to screens and you want them playing outside. You have to check out this kids gardening tools and bug catcher, which completely turns your backyard into an absolute playground for little explorers. We have all experienced that struggle of trying to get children interested in nature, only for them to get bored instantly or ruin cheap plastic beach toys in the dirt. This heavy-duty kit completely fixes that problem with real wooden and metal tools, a super stable 4-wheel wheelbarrow, and an observation box with a built-in magnifying lid for catching bugs. Cordless weed whacker. Amazon products you need if your yard always looks messy no matter how much you mow. Cordless weed whacker. Product introduction. I grabbed this to clean up the edges around my lawn, and it made a bigger difference than I expected. If you're tired of uneven grass around fences, sidewalks, and flower beds, this tool makes trimming fast and easy. The adjustable head reaches tricky spot. The guide wheel helps create clean edges, and the 2 batteries keep you going without long breaks. It's lightweight, simple to use, and makes your yard look professionally maintained. Hedge trimmer cordless. Amazon products you need if your hedges are growing faster than you can keep up with. Hedge trimmer cordless. I didn't expect trimming my bushes to be this quick and easy. It honestly made my yard look professionally maintained. If you're tired of heavy tools and uneven cut, this cordless hedge trimmer is a game changer. It's lightweight, has a rotating handle for comfortable trimming at any angle, and the dual action blades slice through branches with less vibration. The 2 batteries keep you working longer without interruptions. Metal rolling garden work. Seat with wheels. Most purchased Amazon products this month include this absolute lifesaver if you love working in your yard but hate the physical toll it takes. You need to check out the metal rolling garden work seat with wheels, which completely changes how you manage your daily yard work. We have all experienced that exhausting, painful backache from bending over to plant flowers or dragging heavy soil bags across the grass. This genius heavy-duty cart completely fixes that by giving you an extra large cushioned seat and an extended handle, so you can roll it around without bending over. It holds tons of tools, navigates rough gravel easily, and supports 400 pounds. 16-pocket portable empty toolbox organizer. Amazon products you need if you're tired of digging through a messy toolbox every time you need one tool. 16-pocket portable empty toolbox organizer. I didn't realize how much time I was wasting until I switched to this tool bag. Everything finally has its own place. It has 16 pockets to keep your tools organized, a wide opening so you can grab what you need in seconds, and a comfortable shoulder strap that makes carrying heavy gear much easier. It's lightweight, durable, and even water resistant for tough job sites. Brushless motor battery. Powered leaf blower. Amazon products you need because clearing out your yard by hand is an absolute nightmare. You have to check out this brushless motor battery powered leaf blower, which literally turns a miserable weekend chore into a total blast. We've all experienced the annoying headache of trying to sweep up heavy wet leaves, grass clippings, or gravel debris, only to have your arms completely worn out. This absolute beast completely fixes that problem with a crazy one-touch turbo mode that blasts away stubborn mess instantly. It includes 2 massive batteries for up to 90 minutes of runtime and weighs under 5 pounds. Products are on sale. Paint gun with 4 nozzles and 3 patterns. Amazon products you need if you're planning any DIY painting project this year. Paint gun with 4 nozzles and 3 patterns. I thought painting cabinets and furniture would take all weekend, but this paint sprayer made the job so much faster. If you're tired of messy brushes and uneven roller mark, this is a game changer. It comes with 4 nozzle sizes, 3 spray patterns, and adjustable paint flow for smooth, professional-looking result on everything from furniture to fences. Cleanup is surprisingly easy too. Cordless drywall. Sander with vacuum. Amazon products you need to see right now if you are planning any home renovations or DIY painting. You have to check out this cordless drywall sander with vacuum, which completely takes the absolute misery out of fixing up your walls. We've all experienced that nightmare of sanding down old drywall or pop popcorn ceilings choking on white dust while your shoulders burn from holding heavy tools. This genius machine completely fixes that by capturing over 97% of the dust instantly into a built-in bag. It runs completely cordless, extends to reach high ceilings easily, and is super lightweight. 2-in-1 electric pole saws. Amazon products you need if trimming tree branches always turns into a dangerous weekend project. 2-in-1 electric pole saws. I love that this switches from a mini chainsaw to a pole saw in seconds, so I can handle everything without dragging out a ladder. If you've been struggling with overgrown branches, this makes the job so much easier. It reaches up to 15.5 feet, has a powerful brushless motor, and comes with 2 batteries so you can keep cutting without stopping. It's lightweight, easy to control, and perfect for everyday yard work. Cordless, shop vac, wet, and dry. Most purchased Amazon products this month include this absolute beast for cleaning up your car, garage, or home messes. Cordless shop vac, wet, and dry, which is basically a heavy-duty power cleaner that you can carry in one hand. We have all experienced dealing with bulky, heavy shop vacs with short cords that tangle up while trying to clean spilled liquids or muddy car floors. This compact vacuum completely fixes that with a powerful brushless motor that tackles dry debris, wet spills, and even blows leaves. It comes with 2 batteries for 0 downtime. Products are on sale. Backpack sprayer, battery powered. Amazon products you need if you're tired of pumping a garden sprayer by hand every few minutes. Backpack sprayer, battery powered. I switched to this electric backpack sprayer, and it made yard work so much faster and easier. Whether you're watering plants, spraying fertilizer, or treating weeds, the rechargeable batteries do all the work for you. The large 5-gallon tank means fewer refills, and the adjustable pressure with multiple spray nozzles lets you handle everything from delicate flowers to tall trees. 2-in-1 garden kneeler and WorkSeats. Heavy duty. Amazon products you need to see right now if you love spending time in your yard but your body pays the price. You have to check out this 2-in-1 garden kneeler and WorkSeats heavy duty, which is an absolute game changer for backyard chores. We have all experienced that brutal, throbbing knee and back pain from kneeling directly on the hard ground to pull weeds or plant flowers. This genius bench completely fixes that with a thick foam pad that flips from a soft kneeler into a comfortable seat. It supports 400 pounds, folds totally flat, and has handles to help you stand up. Cordless grass shear and shrubbery trimmer. Amazon products you need if you're tired of spending hours trimming your lawn and shrubs by hand. Cordless grass shear and shrubbery trimmer. I didn't expect something this small to be so powerful. It's become my favorite tool for keeping the yard looking neat. It switches from a grass shear to a hedge trimmer in seconds. It's lightweight enough to use with one hand, and the USB-C charging makes it super convenient. Whether you're cleaning up flower beds or shaping small bushes, it makes the job fast and effortless. Professional pruning shears. Amazon products you need to see right now if your hands are completely exhausted from trimming your yard. You have to check out these professional pruning shears, which slice through thick wood like absolute butter. We have all experienced that annoying struggle of using dull clippers that jam up on small branches, leaving your wrists completely sore and bruised. These upgraded shears completely fix that problem by using a clever lever design that triples your cutting force with 0 effort. They feature an unbreakable titanium-coated steel blade, super comfortable non-slip rubber handles, and a secure one-handed safety lock. Gardening gloves for women. Amazon products you need if you love gardening but hate scratched hands and thorny roses. Gardening gloves for women. These are honestly the cutest gardening gloves I've owned, but they're also way more protective than they look. If you're always pulling weeds, planting flowers, or pruning roses, the long sleeves help protect your arms while the padded palms make gardening much more comfortable. I also love that I can use my phone without taking them off. They're comfortable, durable, and perfect for everyday gardening.